Welcome back, Hampton Roads. I am Galen Callahan, and I am the Horticulture Extension Agent with Virginia Cooperative Extension in the city of Hampton, and today I'm mulching my garden beds. I was out decorating my house when I noticed the numerous amount of weeds enjoying themselves in my landscape beds. So I took a couple of hours and found the motivation to tackle this issue before it gets any worse. Now, I mulch to help reduce the amount of weeding that I do throughout the year, but mulching has other benefits as well. Mulching helps retain moisture. It also reduces compaction. It offers a temperature buffer when it gets cold. And it also adds organic matter and nutrients as it decomposes over time in the case of organic mulches. Materials such as bark, wood chips, sawdust, pine straw, lawn clippings, and leaves are considered organic, while materials such as gravel and crushed stone are inorganic. Now, I use leaves for mulch. It's cheap for me. I get bags of leaves off the curb as I drive through the city in the fall, and I just stock them in my backyard until it's time to mulch in the spring. The predominant leaves that I have in there are oak leaves. There are just a lot of oak trees around Hampton Roads, and this is what people have in their yards. But I find other deciduous tree leaves, such as sweet gum, in there as well. Warning though, if you're going to go this route, do check your bags for seed heads. It never fails that I germinate a few oak or sweet gum trees every year, but I just pull them when I see them. There's no reason for me to grow 80-foot trees in this small landscape bed of mine. And you want to watch out for warm season grasses such as Bermuda grass. You do not want to introduce this grass into your landscape. So if you catch it early enough while it's on the curb, just leave it there. But the grass in these bags have started greening up. This warm season grass is ready, but I'm not going to give it a chance. So back to the curb it goes. Now, I took some time to hand pull the weeds out of this garden. It took me about 30-45 minutes or so to get everything out of there. Dollar weed is my nemesis right now. The first year working with this soil was a complete nightmare, but I've been pulling on these long rhizomes for 3 years now, and in combination with mulching, I see less and less with it over time. After clearing out all of the weeds in this landscape bed, I then spread out my mulch, about 2 to 4 inches deep. You want to make sure to keep mulch away from the plant stems or trunks. That may keep the area too wet, and that will attract insects and diseases. But that's it. Mulching is one of the best things you can do for your garden this season. It helps cover the soil, it reduces the growth of weeds, retains moisture, and it adds organic matter and nutrients to your soil. So thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time, and happy gardening.